An important holiday tradition for one New Braunfels resident.
Fred Martinez and his wife Kathy bring sandwiches and cookies to the cardiothoracic and vascular surgeons in Central Texas every year to thank the surgeon they credit for saving his life.
CBS Austin's Jessica Taylor shows us how one man survived an acute aortic dissection.
Well, how you doing? I'm doing well.
Fred Martinez has come a long way over the past 10 years. Back in 2011, he felt a pain near his left shoulder and chest. He would have written it off had it not been for his wife Kathy's insistence to call 911.
I said, I really don't want to go out of here on an ambulance. And so she says, well, you better.
That trip to the hospital led to a diagnosis, acute aortic dissection, and this surgeon, Dr. William Kessler.
Acute aortic dissection is simply put where the large blood vessel of the body, the aorta, has blood that tears into the wall.
Surgery entails cooling down the body's temperature and stopping blood flow to operate on the heart. Several advancements have been made to help the life-threatening diagnosis.
Originally, we used to do that with no flow to the brain or body. Now we do that with a modification of the technique where we can actually flow oxygenated blood to the brain, which is a good thing.
10 years later, Fred is still seeing Dr. Kessler, both for checkups and just to check in.
He is my carpenter. He is the surgeon who fixed me. He put me back together.
Dr. Kessler may be his carpenter, but he's not the only one that helped save his life.
If it had not have been for her to tell me to go pick up, to get on a van and go down to the emergency room, I wouldn't have done it.
Now, the two of them have even more to be thankful for this holiday.
Good to see you,
Doctor. Good to see you, man.
Take care.
Jessica Taylor, CBS Austin News.